Sirs, at the end of this inaugural session, I would, on the behalf of the Public Health Department, Government of Maharashtra, and on the behalf of all the organizing partners, I would like to express a deep gratitude and thanks to Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji, to Honorable Union Health Minister, Government of India, Shri J.P. Nadda ji, Honorable Health Minister, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Deepak Sawant ji, Honorable Minister, Women and Child Development Department, Srimati Pankaja Munde ji, Honorable State Minister for Health, Professor Ram Shinde ji, and in our midst, we also have our Joint Secretary for Government of India, Rakesh Kumar sir, and I would also like to thank Regional Director, UNICEF, Ms. Katin Horshoff, all our partners of this global meeting, representatives of all the participating countries, all colleagues and participants from Government of India, Women and Child Development Department, Public Health Department, from various states of India, and of course the media for gracing this occasion. It's a matter of great pride for Government of Maharashtra to have partnered this global meeting to accelerate progress on complementary feeding for young children. And I would say that we are a venue for this event also because we have shown good result in all indicators. And addressing infant and young children nutrition is a national priority, as very, very well emphasized by our Honorable Union Minister Nadda ji, where we have emphasized that children's nutrition is a national priority, and that often leads to undernutrition, often leads to a problem in the child at the time of birth. Promotion of optimum infant and young child feeding practice is an important intervention for preserving nutritional status of children and also for child survival. There is no doubt about it, and I think we all agree on that issue. Maharashtra is committed, I would like to say that we are committed. Maharashtra is committed to ensuring that not only will we intervene to prevent death due to common childhood diseases with severe acute and undernutrition, but we will also ensure equal emphasis to preventive measures so that new cases are not added to already increased burden of child malnutrition in state. Already, Madam Pankaja Munde has clearly spelled out the performance in Maharashtra with regard to improvisation in stunting and underweight. There's a 16.2% stunting reduction in stunting in Maharashtra from 2005-06 to 2012, and reduction in underweight by 7.8%, and reduction in wasting by 4.5%. So definitely we would like to further improvise our performance, and I hope that this conference will provide the opportunity for learning from each other and improve the nutrition of young children. And I thank you all once again. Thank you. Thank you.
That brings this inaugural session to a close now.